Hey, hi traders. Good morning. This is Parthiban. Today is 15 May 2017, about 9 a.m. Okay, I got about 15 trading opportunity for this week. Okay, I'm going to explain to you guys in detail on all of these pairs. Okay, first Euro GBP. Actually, I was filtering through on daily chart. It's not much opportunity since last week, and I do see that some sideways movement for this week too. So a lot of opportunity in a weekly chart. That means next week onward, more aggressive movement will take place in the market. Okay, let's see the currency pairs. See, Euro GBP have formed a very clear range market here. This is the high, this is the low. So each time market reach this level, it bounced up, and reach here, it bounced down, and again a lot of buyers pick the price higher, sellers pushing it down, and buyers picking up the price. So those who have learned my price actions, you can enter a trade, pending trade, place a stop loss below this, manage your trade to this level, and if it breaks above, grow your trade, grow your profit. Okay, this is Euro GBP. So basically, from this currency pair, we can understand that euro is strengthening against pound sterling. So if euro strengthening against pound sterling, let's look at pound sterling. Over here, pound sterling is at the high, quite at high. So what I do expect is a lot of buyers entering at this level, but there's no volume picking up the price higher. So if euro is strengthening the other side against pound sterling, you can expect pound sterling to depreciate. So if it depreciates, this is the next key level which you can anticipate for it to drop to this level, but I don't see any seller sign here yet. So I want you guys to observe pound sterling for seller setup. Even in H4 you can go for seller's opportunity. Okay, and Euro USD. Okay, a lot of traders still hoping for the gap to close. Probably because of that, the price was bleeding down to this level, and bankers and fund managers defending this price. So now what I can anticipate is a pullback in the price, a pullback. Look for buy opportunity, then bring the price higher. So I look for confirmation on a daily chart or H4, then I can become a bullish on euro. Okay, and next key level, I'll manage my trade over here, then I'll grow my profit if it breaks. USD CHF is actually a very clear range market trading. You see market stuck in a range here, just hovering here, and what I see, I'll look for selling opportunity anywhere the price hover here. Any good selling sign, I'll go short and place my stop loss above this level. Okay, on H4 or H1. USD JPY, not so clear price action story. This is a very clear uptrend. Market have formed some reversal sign. What I can do is on H1, not H1, H4. Any pullback to this price with a confirmation, I can go short and grow my profit. The next key level will be at this level. Okay. Silver on a weekly chart have formed a very good rejection at the bottom. A lot of people buying silver compared to dollar, and on H4, if you see, there's a very clean reversal took place. So what I'll do is I'll look for some confirmation uh, buyer sign, and we can grow the trade very well each level. Sorry, this. So as the market grows higher, based on this price action story, we can manage our trade. Okay, and USD CAD, a very good reversal is taking place here, but this is still counter trend, and this is a very good area to go long. But I would suggest to my traders, there are a few confirmations here. You can sell at any higher price, place a stop loss here, and grow your trade, because this is worth taking the trade. You see, if even you have chance to sell at this price and stop loss about 60, your take profits about 200. This is a very good risk reward ratio. It's worth taking the trade. Okay, and Australia USD, a bit confusing because on a weekly chart there's a good rejection here. Okay, and if Aussie dollar is being rejected, then 200 Aussie, the index, it's also, you see, a very good rejection here. Market trying to break, failed, try to break, failed, penetrated, becomes support, again becomes support. Confirmations being establishing here on the daily chart. The next target is this level, because market is stuck in this range. So on a weekly chart, it's not clear. Need more data. Probably I can analyze the chart on Tuesday or Wednesday with more data. I need a impulsive break like this. Impulsive break like this. And then pull back. Then I'll become a buyer to bring the price higher. Okay, that's for Australia USD. 200 Aussie CFD must wait and trade tomorrow. Okay, gold. A lot of people saying that gold might go up, go down. Okay, let me show you. This is gold, yeah, weekly chart. Okay, just let's go on basics. This is a high, this is the low, high, low, high, low. A lot of buyers buying at a cheaper price, and there are some sign of bankers entering it over here. But what we have to do over here is we can buy at a cheaper price. Wait, hold on. Probably a pullback, can become a buyer and stop loss here. Okay, and please use a proper money management for gold. Okay, I see a lot of people have affection towards gold. They're using a lot of they basically allocating more percentage of risk for gold because they have some affection towards gold. But treat this as a same like other currency pair. Okay, do not risk high on gold. Okay, on a weekly chart, there's a lot of rejection at the bottom side. More upside exposure is being saying here, but let's focus on gold in detail. If at all price break 1240, uptrend is confirmed. But till then, downside exposure is still on. So 1 to 14, anything below 1 to 14 and 1240 is actually range market. Okay, let's wait and see for gold. New Zealand dollar, I would go short at a higher price. This is a low, high, low, high, low, high. So I'll go short at a higher price to grow my trade. But I don't see a huge growth here. But you never know which trade can grow 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Okay, just keep an eye on New Zealand USD, NAS USD, CFD. Okay, these have grown to a different extent. If you see, about like 16,000 pips. Wow. So what I see, a lot of buyers entering. So more upside exposure. I would wait for a pullback to the price. Then with the confirmation, I'll become a buyer. US oil. Hmm. US. Okay. Not so clear price action story. Okay. That's all for this week. I still see a more sideways movement in the market. Uh, it'll be safer for us to trade on a weekly chart because this week I anticipate more range market in most of the pairs, but there are some opportunities on daily chart like the GBP USD, Euro USD, USD CHF, USD Yen, Silver, USD CAD, Aussie Dollar, okay, and 200 AUD is quite very clean price action. Gold, New Zealand USD. So hope you guys trade on this, and good luck traders. Safe trade.